Well, the old skeleton's eyes quit working. Checked my power supply, it was working. Had him plugged in his butt here. No work. New batteries, unplug, no work. Mess with, it's all contacts look clean. I didn't feel like taking all this apart because that's not fun, right? So I thought, well, I'll just bypass it and plug it into the cord. Oh yeah, it's real great. It's the backwards of what you think it should be, right? It's got the male barrel, I guess we'll call it, the black. All your normal power supplies have this come out of the power supply. So I just made this little adapter. So now that plugs in and goes into the cord to his eyes. Let's plug it back in. And I didn't want to buy the adapter from Home Depot or that other Upright or whatever that's called, because I already had a 6-volt adapter. There you go. Works. So I'll leave some links. If you have some of those barrel adapters like I did, you just splice them together and you're good. Or you can buy them. They're like $5, and of course it's Amazon. You can't buy just one. You got to buy like, a bunch.